Hello, my name is Piven and I make faces using objects. Today I want to show you how much fun it is to create facial expressions using everyday objects. If you want to learn more about my process of creation or about creativity in general, you will find the link to my Domestika course in the description below. In this lesson, I will show you how the process of creation is filled with failures. Another way to call it is simply trial and error. Basically, every sketch that I do, something is wrong with it. I'm not totally happy. But from every sketch, I can take something and I say, I like how I did the eyes here, I like how I did the mouth there, and slowly I take a little bit from here and a little bit from there. The secret in trial and error is to create a space in which you don't pay a heavy price for your mistakes. So let's play a little bit on the board with objects and you see how trial and error happens in this method of work. I just cut a piece of round paper and a little body and just put it here, very simple. And let's put some eyes. And here, so we have two little eyes. Let's find a nose. So for now, I'm just making something very simple. And what I'm going to do now is play with options for the mouth. I like to say that I need sometimes 50 options in order to find the good one or the best one or the one that I like. So we can start with a simple smiling face, and what's interesting is that I can move it, the same object in different places, can create different expressions, and now I can start changing it. So trial and error means that whatever I don't like or I'm not sure, I just move it aside. And many times the discovery whether something works or not happens only the moment I put it on, not before. I like this smile. So for now, I'm only moving the mouth. I'm only playing with the mouth, creating different possibilities with different objects. I like this. This is real trial and error because throw it and the way it falls might create one thing or another. So this is also where randomness enters the process a little bit. So I'm just trying different things, and many ideas will happen now, totally by trying. Actually, I think that my favorite will be to try to put something like this. And of course, now that I like the mouth, I can start playing also with the eyes. And slowly, as you can see, it can change. Whatever was the mouth at the beginning can become now eyebrows. So basically, what do we have here? Look, in order to create one mouth, I went through 10 or 15 or 20 objects. So basically, what I was trying to show here is that it's important to try many options. When you are going to be working, make sure to try 20, 30 different objects for each part of the face, each part of the body. Only when you open that many options is when you are going to find really what you are looking for. This is called simply trial and error. So the secret in any other artistic or creative process is how you create the space for trial and error to occur, how you create a space in which you don't pay a price for your mistakes. That will allow you to be brave, to try many options, and when you try many options is also when happy accidents appear. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any comments, please leave them below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you want to learn more about my process of creation or about creativity in general, you can check out my online course on Domestika.